bottom, right? So now, we have the head or the humerus, right? We have now here, we're going to block in here another little cylinder for the end of the humerus. Then we start from the center of the head of the humerus, go down straight to the middle of the end of the humerus. And now we draw the shaft, not centered, but off center, laterally like this, right? And that's the humerus, right? So here, now, that is the end of the ulna, right? So here, this is the hand, the end, sorry, of the humerus. That is the articular extremity. So find the center of that, right? And here we're going to connect this point with this point like this. That's the ulna, right? So this is the shaft of the ulna, like this. Start with a wider thickness here, and the end with a thin extremity.